big bad bug. That's not the big bad bug.
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 Yeah. Come on then.
Ship and a bug. A bug on a lid. Ship found a bug on a lid. Biff found a Biff had a bug. A bug on a bug.
Good.
That's a bug.
Yeah.
Slade. Kipper had a bug on a
No. Read.
bug on a log.
Good.
I can do it myself now.
Okay, well, it's helpful if you do with the finger, so how about you do the finger?
Biff found a
No. See, this is why the finger is good. Biff.
bug on
Mm-hmm.
in a bag.
Good.
Chip had a bug in a cup.
Good.
Kipper had a bug in a pot.
Is it b-u-g or b-a-g?
Bug.
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 No, bug.
That's what I said.
Okay.
Bug. Dad had a bug. A bug.
A what?
A big bad bug.
Good.
Is it crawling on his back? Let's see.
Hang on, what does this say? Can we read this?
As
Mm-hmm.
big
No.
big
Mm-hmm.
as a rat.
Good. Last page.
Dad!
Excellent
He made his
reading.
own potato bug.